Assalamualaikum, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. Ich bin aus Pakistan. I am Usman from Pakistan and I am learning German language. This is my 27th day of German language speaking challenge as I want to improve my German language speaking. And even though it is not perfect, but I am improving, I think. In this day I have 4 ayah from Surah Yasin, Surah number 36. First 4 ayah from Surah Yasin are: Yasin, beim vollkommenen Koran, du bist wahrlich einer der Gesandten, der auf einem geraden Weg ist. اس میں اللہ تعالیٰ نے فرمایا، مفہوم ہے اس کا کہ یاسین قرآن مجید، پرفیکٹ قرآن مجید کی قسم کھا کے کہا ہے کہ آپ رسول ہیں اور سیدھے راستے پر ہیں. Yasin, by the perfect Quran, you are indeed one of the messengers sallallahu alaihi wasallam who is on a straight path. And now I am going to speak 4 sentences randomly and I will try to correct myself. I know this may look bad or it may look not good, but it is improving me and hopefully you will also learn something from this. So 4 sentences. First sentence is: it is raining outside. S is I'm not sure about raining and I'm not sure about outside, so S is raining outside. Second sentence is: window is closed in this room. Their fenster is closed in diese Zimmer. It is not good, but I will correct it later. Third sentence is: sky is full of clouds. Der Himmel ist voll mit Wolken. It is almost similar to the sentences in previous challenges, but I have this sentence at this time. So this is third sentence. Now I have fourth sentence, that is: my AC is not working. Meine AC ist nicht arbeitet. So let's correct these sentences now and learn something from these mistakes. The first sentence I said was it is raining outside, and I translated it into German as es ist raining outside. It has to be changed into German as es regnet draußen. Es regnet means it is raining, draußen means outside. Regnen means to rain. So es regnet draußen. The second sentence I said in English was window is closed in this room, and I translated it as their Fenster ist closed in diese Zimmer. It has to be corrected into German as das Fenster ist in diesem Zimmer geschlossen. Ist geschlossen means is closed, and their Fenster has to be changed into das Fenster. So actual German sentence is: das Fenster ist in diesem Zimmer geschlossen. The third sentence I said was sky is full of clouds, and I translated almost correctly it into der Himmel ist voll mit Wolken. Actually it is der Himmel ist voll Wolken. Mit is not required in this sentence. The fourth sentence in English I said was my AC is not working, and I translated it into German as meine AC ist nicht arbeitet. It has to be corrected into German language as meine Klimaanlage funktioniert nicht. AC's German word is Klimaanlage, and funktioniert is used, not arbeitet. Arbeitet is also a word for work, but here it has to be funktioniert. Funktioniert nicht means is not working. So the sentence is meine Klimaanlage funktioniert nicht. So this is from my side, my 27th day of German language speaking challenge, and 3 days left, and I am asking you for suggestion that what challenge I may start after the completion of this challenge. Jazakumullah khair.